In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Coinbase account to TradingView, enabling you to execute trades with precision and ease right from the TradingView platform. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log in to your TradingView account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you can easily create one by visiting their website and following the simple registration steps. Once you're logged in, navigate to your charting area where you'll be making all your trading magic happen. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of your TradingView chart where you'll find the trading panel. This is a crucial component that you'll be using to connect with different brokers. Click to open this panel and familiarize yourself with the options available. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, so you'll find it quite intuitive. Next, we're going to select Coinbase as our brokerage partner. Within the trading panel, there's a section dedicated to broker selection. Here, you'll see a list of several supported brokerages. Scroll through and click on Coinbase to proceed. This step is critical, as it sets the stage for trading directly from your TradingView interface. After selecting Coinbase, you'll be prompted to connect your Coinbase account. This involves providing your account credentials to establish a secure link between the two platforms. TradingView will guide you through this process with on-screen instructions. Make sure to have your Coinbase login information handy and follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Once connected, your accounts will integrate seamlessly, paving the way for streamlined trading activities. With the integration successfully set up, you're ready to start trading. Whether you're executing spot trades or engaging with derivative products, the TradingView interface offers a convenient environment for managing your trades. You can now place orders and deploy your trading strategies with greater efficiency directly from within TradingView. This integration brings with it a wealth of benefits. One of the standout features is the ability to trade directly from TradingView's interactive charts. You're not just seeing data, you're acting on it immediately. Plus, you'll have access to Coinbase Advanced's robust trading tools, including order books and live trade history, all within TradingView. This provides a comprehensive view of your trading environment. Additionally, you'll gain access to expanded datasets on TradingView. This includes perpetual futures data and Coinbase's proprietary index known as Coin50, which offers valuable insights for deeper market analysis. These features can significantly enhance your trading strategy by providing a broader perspective on market movements. By following these steps, you've not only connected two powerful platforms, but have also opened the door to more informed and efficient trading. So go ahead and explore the possibilities that this integration offers. Happy trading!